Alright guys, made it to Newcomb's range, riding up the hill. First ride on these tires. So far I'm really liking these tires. They're actually holding up really well. As good as the Pilot Powers 2CTs, if not better. And the ride got a lot smoother than before. They're pretty sticky. They're still warm. First ride on them. And I'm impressed. I'm really liking them, and I think all the hype about it is right. And it's really worth it to invest in some good tires, obviously, for your safety. Not only that, but I mean, there's a big difference how it handles. The whole geometry, like the bike, feels different. Like I had to fight to make the bike make the turn deep into the turns before. But right now, it's like you think about it, it moves, it goes automatically. If you think about the turn, it's already doing the turn. So, overall, yeah, I really like those tires, and I think, I don't know, couldn't have asked for more.